Hey guys, what's up? I finally got it. And now I'm gonna be hell excited. It's SmackDown versus Raw 2009. Oh my god, it is fucking. Sorry for swearing. It is just exciting to open this game. Well, let's get to it and open this game. Oh, this is gonna be so fucking exciting. Here we go. Okay. Opening. There. Now. Ooh, plastic. And now. I'm going to take off the plastic. And here we have it. SmackDown vs. Raw 2009. Look at the back. Yeah, that is nice. Sorry you can't read it that much. This camera's shit. Need to buy a new one. I'll do a review for you soon. But for now, it's just the unboxing, okay? Look inside. Whoa. That is nice. Look. That is nice. And guys, if you want to rate my video or do any comments about the game, please do so. Well, that's it for the unboxing. I am going to play this bitch, and then tomorrow I'll make a review, okay? See ya guys, bye.